Hi friends, in previous video we saw how to buy a domain in Hostinger. Now in this video we will know how to create a website or link that website with your domain. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for that, click on websites. Here you can see we don't have any website. So for that we have to start or set up our website. So we will click on start over. Here I want to create a website for myself. I will click on next, click on create website. I will create a WordPress website. Here these will be my login credentials. I will change the password here. You can choose your own. I will skip this part for security purpose. You can simply choose and enter your password. Here I have entered my password. Simply I will click on next. I will create a blog website. Here they are suggesting some blog themes. I will choose to build a website from scratch. Here I will choose a blank website. These are some plugins that will add, or we can choose it from here, or can select or deselect these all plugins from here, or you want to add any other plugin, then you can search it from here and you can simply add that plugin to your WordPress website. So currently I will add these plugins, and furthermore we can customize these plugins, add or uninstall these plugins as per our requirement. So for now I will click on next. Here we have to choose our domain. We have this domain. As we saw in previous video, we claimed that domain. So we will choose this domain for this website. Click on next. We will choose our country. We have to choose our country from where our most of the traffic will come, so that they can give the fastest loading speed for those audiences, so that they can feel a smooth and a good experience over our website. So choose your country as per your audience. So here our audience will be from India, so we will choose India. You can choose as per your own requirements. Now click on next. Here you can see they are initializing WordPress for us. It will take few minutes, so we will wait a few seconds. Now guys, here you can see our WordPress setup is successfully completed. Here you can customize your website and install plugins, customize your website with some tools and all. We will see how to customize your website and install theme and all on your WordPress website in further videos. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.